Hello there! Didn't see ya! Welcome to a new episode of Nuke It! Last week, we had a guest. She blew us away. Her smile, everything. So much so, she's now an official chef. She is our new co-host. And every chef needs a good cooking name. What's your new name, Deja?
My new name is gonna be Chef White Chocolate.
Yum.
Delicious.
Okay, let's start off today's episode. What are we making today?
Meatloaf in a mug.
In this mug?
In that mug right there.
What else?
And a potato.
Baked potato. God, this is really big. Okay.
Let's introduce our guest for today.
Today, our guest is Robin!
Robin! How's the Teen Titans?
Have you made stuff like this in a microwave before?
I can barely cook on a stove. He said no.
So do you think this is kind of a weird thing to make in a microwave?
It's meatloaf in a mug. Who does this?
We do.
Good answer.
Us. Anyways, let's get started!
Do-do-do-do-do. Gonna need that ketchup. Catch that up.
You're gonna need some beef. Yep, beef.
Gonna need a mug. Put it in there.
You're gonna need some milk. Delicious milk.
Oops. Need some quick oats.
Gonna need some onion soup mix.
Gonna need that measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. Yep. Measure.
And you need a baby measuring spoon. Little child. To make our delicious microwave meatloaf, we need all these items. Every single one.
Yes.
This mug. First, you need 2 tablespoons of milk. One.
Milk.
2.
Milk.
That went a lot better than yours.
Shut up. It was full.
Okay. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of that stuff. Oats. Oh my god. Rip it. Wow. Either one. Just need 2 of them. 1. 2. Alright, it looks good.
Chunky.
Next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of onion soup mix. Destroy, Deja. Get it. Oh my god.
It smells so good. Oh my god.
Next thing we need is 1 tablespoon of ketchup.
Ugh, you
Pop
know,
that
like
juice.
ketchup separates and it's just like juice.
Disgusting.
Okay.
Ketchup is good.
I don't even know how to use ketchup.
You don't know how to use ketchup?
I said I don't think. Oh wait, is this right?
Yeah. Need 1.
She had that swirl to it. You saw that swirl
yeah,
on the top. It,
Like ice cream?
yeah.
With ketchup? Okay, now we need 1/4 a pound of beef. Good, delicious.
1/4 of a pound.
Yep, we have a whole pound. It's like... We don't have knives on this show. We just have forks now.
Alright.
So we're gonna use this fork.
This is a new knife.
Pay attention, men.
Problem solving for college students. Bam. Crumbled beef over mixture.
I was just about to ask you if we were supposed to.
We'll just just mix it. And now we mix it.
Mix it. Mixing it, mixing it. Oh, mixing it, mix it.
You gotta mix it before you nuke it.
Whip it through the glass. Hey. Robin's making.
That was a nice thing.
It does.
I mean, yeah. It smells like ketchup.
Who knew forks were so diverse?
I don't know.
I didn't.
Spoons are too. Don't forget the spoons.
Where's your hat?
Where is my
Now that we have our meatloaf all mixed up, we're going to put it in the microwave and nuke it.
Nuke it.
Nuke it.
Nuke it. Say it.
Nuke it.
Alrighty, partner, we're gonna put it in, put the plate on top to vent it. And we're gonna put it in for 445. 445. Yeah, spin, spin, spin. Gotta watch it. Then we're gonna take it out and stir it. Stir it good. Smells nice.
Then you take it out of the microwave and let it stand for 3 whole minutes.
3.
And you make sure that it's not pink, because if it's pink, you didn't do it right.
Yeah, you'll die.
You'll die. Now we're gonna make a baked potato
Baked potato.
to go with our meatloaf. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna need some salt.
And pepper. We're back.
Gonna need some butter.
And a big potato.
Potato.
Smack, smack, smack.
Okay, now that we have all the stuff we need for a baked potato, first you're gonna want to take this baked potato and stab holes in it.
Stab it.
That way it vents.
As you're venting,
really-
the potato, you can vent also. If he betrayed you, pretend that it's him. If college is too stressful,
Please don't stab
pretend-
yourself.
Forget college.
Freaking college.
Now that we have vented our potato, we're going to nuke it.
Nuke it. Okay, it's potato time. Put it in for 10 minutes. Watch it turn. Then stab it a few, see if it's soft. If you like it, put it on the plate.
Now we have microwaved our baked potato. Sadly, Robin had to leave us. She had to fly away. But that's okay, because we're chefs. We can do this by ourselves.
Yeah.
We appreciate her being on the show, though. Anyways, now we have our baked potato. So we're going to use this fork and just slice it. It worked. And then you want to open up your potato. It's going to look like that.
If you like potatoes, get yourself a potato now.
Now that we have potato all ready, we're going to use this spray butter. I don't know how much this sprays. I've never used spray butter.
Nothing's coming out.
Oh,
Oh. Looks like butter.
it's time to add some salt and pepper to our potato. Now, let's try that food.
Yes.
Okay, our taste tester is Toshiki.
Yay!
We have made for you meatloaf and baked potato. Try it.
Okay.
How is it?
Good. So good. Yeah. Thank you, chef. Good. Good. Yeah, so home. Yeah.
If you were to rate our meal, would you rate it 1 potato or 5 potatoes?
5.
You heard him! 5 whole potatoes!
5 potato.
This has been Chef Appleford III
And Chef White Chocolate.
on Nuke It.
Nuke it.
Thank you for watching. Join us next time. Next time on Nuke It. Deja, I hear bells?
Really?
You know what that means.
Christmas episode.
Wow! What are we making?
We're making Christmas cookies
Ooh, what else?
and hot chocolate.
I like hot chocolate.
Me too.
Join us next time.
Next time.